In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Evernote app for free. Whether you're using a Windows computer or a Mac, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it, step by step. So, let's dive right in and start with visiting the official Evernote download page. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in Evernote Download. Look for the official Evernote site in the search results and click on it. You should find yourself on a page dedicated to downloading the app. This page is vital because it ensures you're downloading the software safely and directly from the source, avoiding any third-party sites that might compromise your device's security. Once you're on the correct page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Here, you'll need to make a decision based on the device you're using. If you're on a Windows computer, you'll want to choose the Windows download option. Similarly, if you're on a Mac, opt for the Mac version. The download process is slightly different for each, so I'll walk you through both. Let's start with Windows. When you select the Windows option, a download should begin automatically. The file you're looking for will typically be an executable file, or .exe for short. Once the download is complete, locate this .exe file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click on it to run the installer. This will initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts. You may be asked to accept terms and conditions, choose a destination folder, and possibly more. Don't worry, these steps are pretty standard and straightforward. Just be sure to read each prompt carefully and proceed as instructed. Now, if you're using a Mac, the steps are a bit different, but just as simple. After selecting the Mac download option on the Evernote site, a download will start, resulting in a .dmg file. Once the download is complete, locate the .dmg file, which is usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it, and you'll see a new window with the Evernote icon and your Applications folder. All you need to do is drag the Evernote icon into the Applications folder. It's as easy as that. This action effectively installs the app on your Mac, making it accessible anytime you need it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have the Evernote app installed on your device at no cost. Remember, the key is to ensure you're downloading the software directly from Evernote's official website to keep your device secure. Enjoy using Evernote to organize your notes, tasks, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.